Hello, my dear friends. My name is Arun Kumar Yadav, and today we are gonna learn vocabulary. And friends, vocabulary plays a really important role in your communication skill as well as in your examination. If you wanna understand a paragraph, then vocabulary should be good. Okay, your vocabulary should be good, then only you can understand that particular paragraph. And even though that vocabulary is very useful in your communication skill, whenever you speak, use those vocabulary, and that vocabulary comes in examination as well. So let's begin this chapter, guys. So our first word is don't. Okay, so what is the meaning of don't? Don't means threaten, frighten, intimidate. Okay, the don't means darana dhamkana. Okay, what is the meaning of don't? Darana dhamkana. We can say in English frighten, intimidate. Okay, so I have a link word for this don't. Okay, what is the link word? So here we go. डॉन सभी को डॉन करता है. डॉन, डॉन, डोंट. ओके, दिस इज अ लिंक वर्ड. डॉन सभी को डॉन करता है, एंड डॉन डॉन्ट्स एवरीवन. डॉन ऑलवेज डोंट एवरीवन. Don't everyone. Okay, so like that you can remember those words. Don, don't. Okay, don always. What is the work of don? They threaten everyone, right? In the same way, actually, I have used in tricks. Don सभी को डॉन करता है. Don't always dons everyone. Okay, so you will remember that one. Now we will see how to frame a sentence with don't. Okay, so here I have written two sentences. The threat of lightning did little to daunt local golfers, and no difficulties in the world can daunt us if we do hard work. Okay, if we do hard work, then no difficulties in the world can daunt us. So hope you have already understood what is the meaning of daunt and how you have to frame a sentence with daunt, and I have already told you the tricks as well. So the next word would be dally. What is the meaning of dally? Dally means delay. Okay, delay, late, linger, we can say also. Okay, so dally means delay, linger. Okay, deri karna, we can say. So what is the meaning of dally? Delay, देरी करना. Now I'm gonna frame a sentence, not even frame a sentence, I'm gonna tell you the tricks. What is the trick of dally? So one little child was there. He always dally. Okay, he always dally. So I have a trick. Daily ये dally करता है. Daily he dallies. Okay, daily he dallies. See, the daily is the link word. Dally, what is the meaning of dally? Dally means delay, linger, we can say. Okay, so daily ये dally करता है. Who? This boy. Okay, so hope you have already understood. Now let's see how to frame a sentence with dally. Okay guys, so here we go. So two sentences I have written over here. Don't dally along the way, we haven't got much time. We don't have much time. Okay, so don't be so late, don't delay. Okay, the sentence talks about that only. Don't dally along the way, we haven't got much time. Don't dally over your meal, or else we will miss our train. If you dally over your meal, then definitely we will miss our train. So here I have written that sentence also. Don't dally over your meal, we don't want to miss our train. So if you don't want to miss your train, don't dally over your meal. Just finish it off and just go and catch your train. Okay guys, hope you have already understood two sentences I've already told you. The two words I've already told you, that is, first is don't and the second one is dally. The third word, defrock. What is the meaning of defrock? Defrock means to strip a priest from church authority. Okay, किसी पोस्ट से हटा देना. If you have any post, if you hold any post, if you hold a officer post also, from that post actually you will be removed, or you are removed. That is called defrock. To strip a priest from church authority. This word is used in church. Church means church priest. Okay, if the priest is removed, then this word will be used. Now we'll see the sentence, and let it be sentence. Now we'll see the trick. What is the trick of defrock? The trick, here it is. Frog डालने पर defrock किया गया. What? This church, this padri was there, this priest was there. So what he did, in church he won frock. Okay, this frock he won, and he came. So on that time everyone saw him. He came in a frock, then he was defrocked. ओके, दिस priest was defrocked. So frog डालने पर defrock किया गया. Frog, defrock, frog, defrock. Hope you have already understood. Now let's see the sentence. How to frame a sentence with defrock. So next is defrock. He was defrocked from the church because what he did, he won frock in the church. That's why people saw over there. They felt ashamed. They felt abashed. That's why that priest was defrocked from the church. Okay, the officer was defrocked yesterday. Okay, whatever, maybe that officer would have done something wrong. That's why actually the officer was defrocked yesterday. Hope you have already understood how to frame a sentence with defrock, how to frame a sentence with don't, how to frame a sentence with the second one also. I have already told you defrock, dally, everything I have already told you. Now the fourth one, delirium. What is the meaning of delirium? What is the meaning of delirium? Here it is. Delirium means mental disorder. Okay, mental disorder. Those who are mental, those who are mad. So for that person, for that particular person, we should use delirium. Okay, delirium. What is the meaning of delirium? Mental disorder. And then after that, I have a trick for this. Daily rum पीने से delirium हो जाता है. Those who drinks rum daily, they will be delirium. They'll become delirium. Okay, they'll be delirium, they'll become delirium. So daily rum पीने से delirium हो जाता है. Those who drinks rum daily, they will feel delirium. They'll become delirium. Hope you have already understood the trick and hope you have already enjoyed the trick of mine. Okay, now we'll see how to frame a sentence with delirium. So here it is. He mumbled in delirium all night. What happened, you know? Those who always drink rum, they mumbled in delirium all night. Okay, in her delirium she had fallen to the floor several times because of her parent or maybe whoever. Okay, delirium means mental disorder. In her delirium she had fallen to the floor several times. The next word and the final word, because every day we learn five words. Okay, the last word is delude. What is the meaning of delude? Hope you have already understood. What is the meaning of deceive? Deceive, the same thing actually. Cheat, perfidy, cozen, that is called deceive, धोखा देना. Okay, those who deceive their partner. So we can use delude. Okay, delude. So what is the trick of delude? The delude means Delhi wale ne delude kiya. Delhi wale, those who are from Delhi, they always delude peoples. Okay, those who are from Delhi, they always delude people. Delhi delude, Delhi delude. Hope you have already understood. Now let's see how to frame a sentence with delude. So next thing, don't delude yourself into thinking that the prices will ever fall. Don't delude. Okay, don't delude yourself, don't cheat yourself into thinking that the prices will ever fall. Because of this coronavirus, no prices will be fall, it will increase always. We delude ourselves that we are in control. We delude ourselves, we cheated ourselves that we are in control. So hope you have already understood the five words. So let's revise. First one is don't. Okay, don't, I have already told you. Don't, dally, daily, dally, daily. Defrog, frog. Delude, delirium, mental disorder. Daily, delirium. Those who drinks daily, they will mumble delirium. All night. Okay, they'll become delirium. Delude, deceive. Don't delude yourself into thinking that prices will ever fall. Because of this coronavirus, no prices will be fallen down. Okay, so delude means deceive, cheat. Okay, cheat. What I have given that one, the link word, Delhi wale ne delude kiya. Okay, Delhi, those who are from Delhi, they always delude people. Hope you have already understood. Bye bye, take care.